HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hi friends! Today we're going to make a fashion closet. That's right! What kind of things would you have in your fashion closet? First of all, we draw a square outline and then double it up. Now we do the rest of the frame. 2 lines across, horizontally. And some vertical lines. These are for our shelving. There, first of all we'll draw a mannequin with a gorgeous necklace on. Wow! Next, let's do a handbag. And now a stripy one. And one more with a heart on it. Now we can hang our clothes. Let's draw a hanger and a lovely dress with diagonal stripes. And a middle hanger with a gorgeous heart dress. A bit of a frill on the bottom on this one, and we'll do some stripes on this one too because we love stripes. And a wonderful party dress. Vertical stripes on this one too. There, let's do our shoes. Our evening shoes. Some boots too. What kind of shoes do you have in your closet? A hat. And some sunglasses. And now the feet. Right, time to paint. Let's paint the frame in yellow. Gorgeous sparkly yellow frame. Very nice indeed. And now we'll go for purple feet. Painting the mannequin next. That will be black. To make our necklace stand out, we're going to use blue for the pendant and a lovely yellow for the chain. Beautiful. Green for the button on our handbag. And pink for the rest. Now let's do our stripy handbag. Blue handle. The first stripe can be red, then green. What colour shall we use next? Purple. What a great idea. And yellow. Wow, what a colourful bag. Green for our next one. Nice and bright. Ooh, some blue for our top half. A 2-tone bag. And a pink handle and a pink heart, and yellow for the seal. Right, onto our dresses. Our gorgeous party dress with some purple stripes and pink. Don't you just love alternating purple and pink? It looks fantastic. A yellow belt across the middle, and it's perfect. Red now for our next dress. We're going to paint in the heart and the sleeves and every other stripe. Alternating with yellow for our main body and the stripes remaining. And a blue belt on this one. Pink for our next dress. You see, you can have so much fun with this. You can do any colours you like, all one colour if you want, or as we've done, lots of alternating colours. You can also do patterns. We've done some hearts here. We've done stripes going different directions. We've got vertical, horizontal, diagonal. You could do flowers. You could do lots of frills. Be really creative with your designs and have fun. Right, we're going to do our shoes. Some pink heels. Beautiful. And some lovely yellow stripes, blue heels. And pink boots. And why not? Now time to do our lovely hat. Green and pink, that is. And last but not least, our sunglass frames. Groovy red. With a blue inside. And there you have it. A beautiful closet. Ooh la la.
Hello kids! For the lipstick, draw 3 rectangles just like this. Let's paint with red first. Sky blue now. and a dark grey. Here we have a pretty lipstick, a big triangle, 3 squares within, and 5 small circles. We're drawing an eyeshadow palette. Let's paint with green. The first circle with red. Purple is next. Magenta, sky blue, and pink. Let's paint the square with gold, pink, and blue. This looks great. Lovely eyeshadow. Yay! Let's draw a brush, just like this. Paint it with red, grey, and a pretty golden color. Done! A brush! We're gonna draw some nail polish. A square, a rectangle on top, paint with green, some magenta, and golden too. Here is our nail polish. We're going to need some blush too. First draw a rectangle, now 2 squares within. Draw a rectangle again for the mirror and now paint. Blue, aqua blue, golden, and magenta, sea green, and pink blush shades. Here is our pretty blush. Our makeup kit is all done. Hope you had fun.
Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to draw a hot air balloon. Woohoo! It's kind of like a teardrop shape going in and down at the bottom. Do the strings attached to a love heart basket. Oh, perfect! Time to decorate the balloon with some curvy lines. How about some more love hearts? Every other segment. Let's blacken up the border. And the hearts. And ready to colour. We go for green for the top segment. You could do a rainbow balloon. What do you think? You don't have to copy the same colours we're doing. You can choose your own colours. We're doing yellow next. Oh, look at those lovely limey yellow citrusy colours. I just love them. They're so refreshing. Carefully colouring around those hearts. Have you ever been in a hot air balloon? Or seen a hot air balloon? Wow, it must be amazing, the view from up there. Wind in your face. Pink next. A pretty kind of pastel-y pink. I like that. What's your favourite colour? I love purple. I wonder where our hot air balloon is going today. Perhaps on a Valentine's Day ride. Blue next. Blue and pink look perfect together, don't you think? Perhaps you could go for a sunset ride in the sky. Wouldn't that be amazing? Watch the sun go down with your loved ones. We're going for a lovely purple at the bottom. Yay, my favourite colour! Now what colour should we do the hearts? How about red? Of course. That does look fantastic against the rainbow background. Ooh, love, love, love. I just can't wait to ride in this hot air balloon. I want to go all over the world and look down from the sky on the beautiful mountains and the oceans and the rivers. Oh, wouldn't it just be wonderful? Imagine. And there we have it.